And yes, okay, we are live again. I just fixed it. All right, watch me lose my money. All right, so here we go. So this is where all my, not all of it, but some of my ride sharing money is going to is so I can get out of ride sharing and I can actually do this and maybe even actually get some people that actually show up. All right, so this is the idea. Every day I'm gonna be showing up in the market 8 o'clock in the morning after ride sharing. Today I didn't do ride sharing. I took the day off because we were live yesterday, so I was up till late, really late. All right. So this is what we're gonna do is I'm gonna find my way out of ride sharing. Uh, and one of the things is through day trading. And I'm day trading the SPY, and the strategy goes like this. There's an orange line, there's a green line, and there's a red line. The red line shows me the direction of the market. So right now it looks like the market is on an uptrend. I'm gonna go ahead and use Vinny's. Hold on. I'm gonna use Vinny's. I can't see. In where he says, mark my previous days open and close, high and low, and then previous day. Am I in the SPY? SPY. Okay, I can't see. I might have to move this camera out the way. All right, here we go. All right. So I'm going to mark my previous days high and low. This is what it was taught to me. So my high, which was right here. Okay. My low of the previous day, the high and the low, and today's open. All right. Now I'm going to go back into my 5 minute. Now, this is the strategy. This is how the strategy is going to work. So I have the orange and I have the green and I have the red. The red shows the overall direction of the market. My lines of previous support and resistance, points of resistance, okay, or support. And right now, look at it. It's breaking to the 200, so it might change direction, but I'm gonna give it some time. Usually, it's at market opens at 8:30 Central, and I want to wait until usually about 30 minutes, somewhere around there, until I can take a trade. And all I want to do is take 3 trades, 3 strikes, and then I'm out. Minimize my losses if the market doesn't go in my direction, and and get back in it. Yesterday I had a loss of $60 something. Right now it is a paper account. It's a 938, and I started with 1,000. All right. So the orange line is my VWAP, and I have my EMA. Whenever my EMA crosses the VWAP, that's an indicator that I should get ready and to get into my trade. I do wait for my RSI and my MACD. So if I'm buying to the upside, I would like it to be into the oversold level, and the RSI and kind of like upside. It's just an indicator that it just shows that the odds are that the probability that it's going to be going in my favor, okay, or vice versa in the opposite direction. And I do use the 200 EMA, so I will feel much better if everything stays above the 200 or uh, under the 200. So if it's under the 200, then I will go short and or buy a put option or a call option. And the reason why I'm doing options is because um, It's the only way I could trade the SPY right now. So I'm gonna take $1,000 and turn it into two. Can I do that? Right. Now I am streaming on both my YouTube channels and watch me in my Rumble. Because I would like everything to go into the Rumble. But hey, ride sharing money. This is where it goes to. Well, not yet. It's only paper money. All right. I'm gonna watch it right now. Let me see if I can find new to this whole entire thing into day trading, and I want to leave ride sharing to go into day trading, and I'm watching the market right now dive under the 200. So it would be nice if I see this. Hold on, I need to move my up. This is a 5 minute and a 2 minute. So I would like it to, okay, so to come down, right? Come back up to the VWAP, and then this is my strategy, the VWAP bounce, and then come right back down again. Okay, and then continue in that direction. All I want is that one trade, and I just want to hold it until it keeps going for the whole entire day. Let me see. We are, oh wow, okay, look. We gapped up and we're coming back down. This is the overall direction of the market for the SPY. It's been going down. It comes up to this line and it comes down. It's coming up to the line and it's coming right back down. Okay, 4 hours. Look at this. It's coming right back down again. I got my 15-minute to the downside. Man. All right, this is what I really want. I want this baby to turn right back around, go right back up to the VWAP. I buy my option to the downside. Now this line right here is, I have no idea what this line is. No. So what I'm gonna do is I keep leaving my lines here. Let me get rid of it. Buy. Buy. Goodbye. And again, I want it to go back up to the VWAP and start coming down. Now, it has been suggested to get rid of the 1 minute. I like the 1 minute because that's how I base my entry. But I will usually stick to the 5 once I'm in. 2 minutes. I'm just gonna put it there. 2 minutes. Each one of these bars is 2 minutes. Here we go. 5 minutes. Each one of these bars is 5 minutes. I want this baby to turn back around, go up to the VWAP, bounce right off of it to the downside. All right. Right now, see, we're on the oversold. MACD is all the way at the bottom. It could start curling up, and I could take this right back up to the VWAP and make some. But I'm gonna stick to my because I'm gonna go with the flow. The flow is down. Ooh. All right, let me set up my options. My camera's right here, and then my screen is like way above. It's way above. Okay, this is the SPY. The SPY. I'm gonna take my. Okay. See, 5 days are a little more expensive. One day. So these are my options. It's a day option, so that would expire tomorrow, or I can go 5 days. Um, if I wanted to put them more expensive, if I get them in the money. You know what? Let's get the 5 days in the money because these tend to expire a lot faster. All right, I like this. Okay, here we go. Here's my put. Where's my volume? See, it's percentage, but I don't want that. So I'm moving my volume up over here. This way I see it. Where is it? It's right here. Okay, here we go. I have a meeting today. Oh, I already spoke to her already. All right. So I have a put option and I have a call option. So if the market goes up, then I make some money. If the market goes down, but I really want this to come right back up to the VWAP, bounce right off of it, and I'll take it to the downside. Now we just sit here and wait. We're just gonna sit here and we're just gonna wait. I need to delete these two. These are from yesterday. See, I like the 1 minute. I should be watching the 1 minute as they keep telling me, but I'm gonna watch it anyway. And this is the idea. Lines have crossed. Okay. It looks like everything is bouncing off the 9 EMA. Man, I could have done it. I could have taken the trade earlier, and boom, it came up to the VWAP, and they just wrote it down. But this is what I want. Want it to bounce right off of the VWAP, and or maybe the 200 EMA, but then continue to the downside. All right, let's see what happens. Living the ride sharing life, trying to leave the ride sharing life to do this full time. They say $500 a day keeps the job away. So let's see how long it takes me to get there. Paper money. It's not real money, it's just paper money. Let's see how it goes. Only paper money. See that? We should be streaming on my streaming. For some reason, I gotta get this to stream because that's I really want the channel to be just experimenting. but the computer that I have, it's a Surface Pro, and it's slow. It's like slow. Let's go on channels. See this? Custom URL options, manage, edit. See, and I don't know if anything is. What's today's day? Oh, today's the 12th. All right, so it is. It is going into my channel, I think.
Good morning. Good morning.
Ah, good morning. All right. Oh, so Vinny. Okay, so Vinny here. He is a Consider you an expert there, Vinny, or
Nah, never an expert in this. You're always a student of the game here. Not even close. I'm a novice.
still a novice? How is your Because I know people are gonna ask sooner or later once you start coming into the channel in some near future if they're gonna if they've always wanted to go this route. Um,
What's the question?
uh, what is your usually your daily goal?
Oof, that is a I've kind of gotten away from that because setting up daily goals puts a little added pressure on you. And you might think you're forced to have to make a trade. I just want to make good solid trades. Good solid trades. At this stage, so early in the trading, I've been trading a little over 3.5 years, at least the stock market. You want to make good solid trades. The
Man, I
money
just
will
want to
come.
like yeah,
Go ahead.
and
No,
that's
the
what I
money
want.
will
I
come.
mean, they say $500 a day keeps the job away. Um, I don't even
Two
know
hundred
is
dollars
that
to
true?
keep the job
Well,
away.
don't get me wrong, it is $500 a
Well,
day keeps
think
the
about
job
it.
away. You know,
Think about it, Eddie.
but
If you take away all your expenses that you have now, right? Everything that's connected in, just take all that away. $200 a day is what? 6,000 a month gross.
uh-huh.
Six. Uh huh.
Hold on. But it's only 5 days. So with ride sharing,
Well,
it's different
well,
because when
yeah.
I'm ride sharing
Well,
is
you didn't stipulate $500 a day trading. You said $500 a day keeps the job away because most
yeah,
jobs can be 7 days. Okay, so you're
yeah.
going that route. Okay,
Trading is only
now you want to go that.
5.
Now you want to pull a Sergio on me. Okay. Anyway, I don't have a daily goal. I just want to make smart trades, and I don't put that extra pressure on myself.
Yeah, no, I kind of like that saying, but $500 a day is $2,000 a week for me.
Okay, but then you figure if if the average trader, if your goal is to make a percentage per day, say anywhere from 2 to 5%, because 10% is tough. 10% can
Yes.
be tough. But let's just be big boy pants and say 10%. I want to make 10% every day. So if you're trying to make $500 every day, that means you got to put $5,000 at risk.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying? So,
Correct.
especially in the beginning, I just think that's a little unrealistic. I think people should be shooting for
A
2 to 5%.
percentage.
Yeah, 2 to 5% a day. If you can make 5% a day and only lose and only if you have a losing day, only lose 2%, then I'd say you're on the road to accomplishing things.
So it's
I look
2% of your full account or the amount that you're actually trading.
whatever you're putting at risk.
Okay.
You can't make a gain if you're not in the game. You know what I mean? So if I'm only putting $200 at risk, and 10% is only $20. Now we
Yeah.
know with options that you could put $200 at risk and turn it into 3 grand if the market's right.
Yeah.
but it doesn't always work that way. So,
Nope. Nope. Yesterday I tried to keep my losses at a minimum.
mhm.
So, but all I want is that one winning trade that just kind of just keeps going, and I just keep moving my stop and then get out when. All right. So, and then this is like one. Okay. So, previous days high and low, and then today's open, which I have it marked right here. I noticed that my open. Where's my open? Okay, this is my open right here. Okay. Previous day's low. I think it's this one right here, and I'm hoping that it comes to it and then it rejects it.
Okay.
The reason because my 200 EMA is like right there too, right there.
Right.
But again, I will be playing my VWAP bounce.
Of course. That's your strategy. That's what you're good at. You like that, you know? You're very good at it.
But the thing is,
You're learning it.
look, it's overbought. It's coming out of oversold. Okay, and the
Uh-huh.
MACD is curling to the upside.
So there's a little divergence. Your MACD and
Correct.
your RSI are moving together.
Are not lining up. Yeah,
They are
they are
not lining up,
lining.
or they let me
No,
wait.
okay, they are lining up. They're correct going in the direction that it's going right now, which is to the upside. But mine
Right.
is the VWAP bounce, which will be usually just once it touches it, um, it goes up to the line and then it turns around and goes the other way. Now, if if it was over here, like right now it's going to the VWAP, but it was overbought and the MACD was all the way up here, like looking to turn around, then yes, that's like a definite like, yeah, take it, go for it. But it is curling to the upside. This is coming from the overbought level. So it looks like it might reach my 200 and then it's going to be in the overbought and the MACD is going to be all the way at the top, curling to the downside. Then that's when I might take my
Yeah, I'm kind of
um
looking at it also. I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it on my trading setup. Um, yeah, I opened everything on my trading computer. Obviously I was a little late. I had a lot going on
yeah.
last night.
Yeah, did you guys I tried to turn it back on and so my Surface it's overheating.
Yeah, well, I
That's
mean
what it's doing.
that was kind of to be expected. All right, up 160 bucks, 17% on Tesla calls right now. I've got five option calls. The 120 strike price for tomorrow. I'm just looking to make a quick dime out of this, and then I'm gonna get the hell out of it. I don't want to mess around with it. I've been so lazy, Eddie. I've been so flipping lazy, dude.
I've been I've been doing the same thing, damn, I've been losing my what do you call it, mojo? It's just, man, I don't know what it is. I really do not know what it is. It's just like my drive is just kind of like dying on me. Um, but I'm trying to stay positive. Um, by doing all these things that I've always wanted to do and kind of cutting all my, my bad experiences out because the reason why I'm here is because of my bad experiences in the past. That's why it's hard
Right?
for me to listen to other people's like advice and opinion. I was like, hey, it's like, okay, it's good advice, but I'm not gonna go for it. Like, I don't like it. It's just, you know, that's why sometimes, kind of like Richie Hustle that we were talking to yesterday and stuff.
Right.
Um, like yeah, when it comes to shopping, I'll definitely take his advice. I mean, it's because he's got his channel and he's actually doing it.
Yeah.
The damn
Yeah.
guy, man, he finds his damn deals. I would love to do Christmas shopping that way. Buy
Well,
all the things that my kids have always wanted, right?
uh-huh.
Buy a whole bunch of them, sell them on Amazon, make money out of it, and at the same time get the toys for free and get paid for it because I YouTube it.
Yeah.
Okay, So I profit out of it by buying and selling it, and also because I'm putting it on YouTube, I'm actually making money on it. All right, and I can take that money and I can. So it's free. The same thing, kind of like what I'm doing with my business credit card, where I purchase everything on my business credit, all my bills I put on my business. They're bills that I have to pay anyway, but
Right.
credit cards give me points back, and I can buy the things that I want for free, and I
I
am
mean,
technically not coming out of pocket.
no, and I think that's awesome because you know what? I think. Hold on a minute. I think I'm going to take these out. Uh, I think it's smart business, but it didn't. You, Richie Hustles, it didn't happen overnight. It took time
No,
to get there. And that's what people see. We live in a different world now. It's to say, bro. There's so much in life we can equate to trading, and there's so many life skills that you can learn from trading. The first and foremost is patience. You got to have patience. Not every day is going to be a trading day. Yesterday, you shouldn't have traded at all. There was nothing there. Today, you're getting a little volatility. I've got SPY up. I've got Tesla up. There's some volatility. Um,
but I have to
but
get
there's
used to it.
patience, and then it's got to be set up, and then you got to build yourself up. You start with, $100, $500, $1,000, whatever it is in a small trading account. You got to build it up. It takes patience and skill to build it up. You built your business. You got your business now 2 years. So that allowed
So
you to develop business credit. It allowed you to develop, you know, knowing when and where. Richie hustles, same thing. Yeah, I hear you, brother. I hear you.
yeah, I know, and I'm just trying to make it profitable. Like, man, I don't know who was it that where I got this from, but everything that I do, Andrew Tate, which, hey, he's in the hospital. What's going on?
I have no idea. Listen, I was never an Andrew Tate fan,
Yeah,
or
no,
I didn't like him or dislike him. It's just somebody I didn't pay any attention to. To
yeah,
me,
correct.
he was on the other
But
side of AOC. You know what I mean? So
yeah, see,
that's
people like him, I noticed that people like him are doing like I'm realizing that I'm doing what they're doing. So,
in what
anything,
respects?
everything. So he was explaining one time that everything he does, it has to do with involving making money, right?
Okay.
So if he's doing something, it has to benefit him and his business. So I was like, dude, I'm like doing the same thing, but I don't know if I was doing it right, because everybody's like, oh, you got to dedicate time to the family and the kids and all that stuff. But I always keep saying to myself, like, yeah, but if I'm not making any money, how the hell am I going to dedicate any time to the kids and family if we're all going hungry?
Well,
So,
that's right, 100%. I used
um,
to, I used to live in that world where I call that the white picket fence. So the white picket fence is where both mom and dad live happily ever after. They both work 9 to 5, or actually the dad works 9 to 5. The mom sits home and she's a
yep,
homemaker, which is a job. We can't lie about that, bro. It's a fucking job. But
yeah,
the dad comes home. He's home on the weekends. He's home early. He's never late. There's a white picket fence around the yard, 2.3 kids. You pay off your mortgage in 25 years on a 30-year mortgage, and then you die.
yeah.
And,
It's just
and,
I
and
just don't like it. I really just don't like that. It's just it doesn't because I watch everybody in my family. I mean, it's just living that life of the either living paycheck to paycheck or just living off the government. That's how it is. That's how I've always seen it. With a lot, not all, but some, you know.
right.
Um, but then I see it's like, oh, you gotta be like some of them be like, hey, you gotta be family and stuff. But they come into Puerto Rico, all right, but for vacation, they never stay, okay, because they can afford to leave. And what do? They come in for vacation and boom, they leave. That's it. They're gone.
Mm.
And they leave that life behind. And I was like, hey, so I kind of noticed that, and I don't know. So I just don't want to be around that anymore for some reason. It kind of just brings me down, and
Well,
that's why I'm doing this.
that's not a bad
Oh,
thing, dude. You know what you want. You know where you're trying to go. You know what? I think I'm going to pull three of these out. Let's pull three of these out. Bam. Yeah.
Richard, good morning, Richard. Richard, this is what we're trying to take ride sharing to. Okay. Um,
Richie, that's my guy.
Basically, yeah.
Morning, Rich.
Does Rich do this?
Does Rich trade?
Yeah.
He he dabbles, but Richie's old school, man, and he's different in the respects of as opposed to a lot of younger people today. Richie he put in the work. He put in the work on the jobs. He busted his hump. A couple of businesses. He put in the work, and then he didn't live the big lavish modern lifestyle like you see on TV with, all these people out here. Watch me make $10,000 today. He put his
Yeah.
money away. He worked hard. He put his money away. He invested in some good long term stocks. He's still working to this day, and and he's in good shape. But no, every now and then I'll get a text. What are we? Did you buy anything today? Did you buy anything today? And I haven't
Yeah.
been, but I haven't been. I haven't been feeling the market. Um, I don't mind paper trading, but I haven't been feeling the market. Again, like I just haven't been feeling up to this.
See, I'm trying to create a feeling for the market. That's what I'm trying to create the feeling of, okay, I know the probability. Um, and that's what I really want to do. Because I don't know. People talk about fear. I was like, okay, I don't know what it like, FOMO, fear of missing out. I don't know what it is, or taking small losses and being your winners. But how hold on to your yeah, but how do you hold on to your winners, and how do you cut your losers? Um, and that's the one thing that I wasn't understanding. So that's why I'm sticking to my lines. Okay, and then once my lines line up, then that's when I go ahead and make my purchase. So, and hopefully I'm doing it right. So now I'm waiting for it to go up to the 200. It bounces right off of it. Uh, RSI is going to be over into the overbought level. MACD is going to be up there, maybe curling to the downside, hopefully. All right, we'll see if this 200 holds. I'm trying to
Um,
stay away from
so
the trying to stay away from the 1 minute, like you said.
one of your followers, El Barbu, I hope I said that right. Not doing ride share. You might want to
Y-
address that.
yes. So when I wake up in the morning, I do a little bit of ride sharing, and then at 8 o'clock, I do this. But I really want to move out from ride sharing because waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning every day, 7 days a week, um, it's not that I don't like it. It's just that it's getting, I don't know, the choice. Because ride sharing, for me to be able to do what I'm doing right now, I have to wake up at 3. But then if I could do something like this, um, I can stop ride sharing. If I can if I can duplicate my income, so whatever I make with ride sharing in a day, which will be 300 in a day, but then again, ride sharing is 7 days a week. But I'm still ride sharing. It's just that my education is going to other things. Also, this is one of them. I just figured I rumble it or YouTube it in case others want to do the same.
And that's that
But it's
that
more money.
but you bring up a good point there is not everybody wants to do rideshare all the time. Again,
Yeah.
this is where a lot of followers on our channels, they let's go Tesla. Let's go Tesla. Let's go Spy. Spy's moving up. Spy's broken out a little bit here. Um, ride sharing everything. And that's the problem is that people get so trapped up into the rideshare game And it's not necessarily God, this is going to sound harsh, but it's not their fault that they're trapped in the rideshare game. If you're working at a construction company or at a concrete plant or at a car plant or at
Oh my God.
McDonald's, that's all you know. Every day you keep
Yeah.
doing the same stuff every day, and so now you think that's all there is.
And I don't want to do, yeah, man, gotta find that way out of ride sharing. Ride sharing definitely not a career because that is it's really gonna hurt a lot of people when they got nowhere else to turn to. So,
By the way,
man,
Eddie, my last 25 shares of Lyft is gone. Richie Burger, if you're listening, I just sold off the last 25 shares of Lyft. It just broke out. I just noticed it broke out above 14.25, so I'm completely out of Lyft.
so I am trading, I'm doing laundry, and I'm cooking all at the same time, trying to manage my time as efficient as I can so I can go out and ride share. See, that's why I think that I'm doing a little bit too much. And I don't, there's a lot of people that don't see what I do in between, which I don't know how the hell to put in the video because
Bro,
how can I
you're
hold the damn camera?
bro,
How am I going to hold
you're gonna make you're gonna make some woman a good wife.
it? And this is it. I wake up, I go straight to the bathroom. Once I'm done with the bathroom, I already have my coffee already set up. I just hit the button, boom, it starts, that, man, but it's just, it's a process. And that's why sometimes when I'm with my daughter, my daughter just, she can't keep up. And I have more energy than my kids. This is
Um,
awesome. Okay, look at this.
yes, nice breakout this morning.
Let's see where it goes. Will it stay above it or will it stay under it?
Oh man, I'm up a fair amount on the. I've already taken 3 contracts out. Still holding 2 contracts. Those 2 contracts are up $184, 48% right now on Tesla. I'm in the money on the Tesla contracts. Looking to. I want to keep it going a little bit here because I'm just barely in the money. I want to see it hit the next one more dollar. Come on, baby, Tesla. I need Tesla to get like 121.20. You can do it. You can do it.
See,
Just
this
patience.
Rumble
Go ahead.
thing, man, I don't know what
Uh-huh.
the hell I'm
Is it
doing
working?
wrong here. I
Let me see.
I think it's working. But I
All
truly
right. Well,
just
we're gonna
don't
go.
know.
I'm gonna go over to
See
Rumble
my
right now.
channel,
President
watch me.
Biden discusses inflation and the economy. Well, that can't be good.
See that? I don't know what I'm doing wrong. It's not streaming into
There
in
it is.
my.
Um,
I think
I'm
it's
gonna go
streaming
over
into
to
my ride sharing.
Rumble. Yeah, you're live. We're live. I'm looking
No,
at
no,
your
no.
Rumble channel.
On the oh my God, on the ride sharing channel Rumble channel, but not into the oh my God, not into the
Oh, yeah, I see
Rumble
that.
trading
I
channel.
I
And I don't
see
know what I'm doing wrong. I have it set up.
that. I don't know.
Watch me lose money. See that? It's saying that it's streaming. This is YouTube. The setup isn't supported for the platform, and that's what it keeps telling me.
Yeah, but you're streaming right now onto Rumble on your Driving in Style channel. I'm looking at it. I'm looking at your Rumble on Driving in Style right now on Rumble. I'm looking at it.
Yeah, correct.
So,
And what I want to do for it is to stream on Rumble, but on
uh,
the Watch Me Lose Money channel
maybe that's a different stream key.
because
Maybe that's a different
I
stream
have it.
key.
It's in there.
Um, then I'm not sure.
Let me see. See, it's right here. It's right there. Watch me lose some money on Rumble. Here's the key. Okay. Here is whatever. Beginner, see, no videos found. Um, yeah, no, okay. Let's set up a new live stream. Nope. Okay, can't do it. No idea. This is one of the things that okay, I don't understand a Rumble because I'm doing what it says, but I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
I don't know. What's your deal? We'll have to look at it. Come on, Tesla, let's go, baby. Come on, break this 121. Vinny Cuz. Vinny Cuz wants a
All
new
right, did
Cadillac.
Spy
Give it
go into
to
the upside
Rich.
now?
Let's see. I was on Uber and Lyft here. Spy is still moving up into a positive direction. I'm telling you, bro, Eddie, you and me, we got to make a lot of money. Make a lot of money so we can buy Richie Berger a Cadillac and get him out of his QX60.
Hey, I would
Rich,
love to do something like that. You know what it'd be to give the cars away? Like, hey, we started ride sharing, bought these, and we're gonna get out and we're just gonna donate them.
you mean
Donate the caddy
give him to a
to
wow
another hustler.
to
To another hustler.
another hustler so they can get started. You know
You
what?
know?
Hey, bro, that's a goal.
Yeah. If you,
That's a goal for the end of
wouldn't
2023.
that be cool?
That's a goal. That's a
Somebody that does
real
this
goal.
and is driving whatever, but they do this like every day and they record it, whatever, and blah blah blah, and they're like, and just give it away. Be like, hey, there
That
you go.
that would be a hell of a goal.
Because we know they're
Pay
gonna
off the
take care of
trucks,
it. We know they're gonna take care of it.
pay off the trucks, and then give it to an up and coming rideshare driver, or maybe an ex driver out there that's proven themselves, and then but they can't really afford to move up to the next platforms.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe somebody who starts a YouTube channel and they stay on it consistently and develop, and boom, here you go, bro. Drive Eddie's caddy.
It's a lot of miles, but I think they might prefer it to be
Bro,
a Tesla.
but how good, how cool would that be, though?
Yeah, we be doing
How
the
cool
Mr. Beast.
at the end of the year, we will be giving away one of the vehicles.
Hey, hey, hey,
What? What?
hey.
No, because if you ain't got 40 grand to give away a truck, I don't want to hear it.
So,
That
and I
means
already
that
have my
means
order in for the Cybertruck, and I still don't know how I'm gonna get it. I'm on the wait list. I'm on the wait list.
yeah, but bro, what are
Yeah,
you
for
gonna
the
do with that thing?
Cybertruck mid-range.
What are you gonna do with the Cybertruck? What in the hell are you gonna?
Well, the first thing I'm gonna do is that particular Halloween, I'm gonna dress up like Halo.
Uh huh.
Okay, and I'm just gonna, dude, I'm just gonna freaking rock it. Yep, I'm gonna end up ride sharing with it for a little while, see how it is, see if it works, if it's doable. Also, I wanted to go camping on it. I wanted to see if Kiara's, you know, lifestyle kind of works on that thing.
Uh huh.
Um, and it's like a triangle with like no round corners. So making it look cool looks like pretty easy.
Okay, I hear you. I have no need for a. All right, watch for a breakdown here.
Okay, let's do a breakdown here. All right, let's go for it. I have my put option right here, and I'm going to buy the bid. It did.
All right, I'm trying to get out of my contracts. I might have shot this.
Ah, no, no,
Can I
no.
cancel that order?
The
Boom.
reason why
Ah, all
I just
right.
don't like it.
My contract sold. That was probably a little too trigger happy on that, but my contract sold. So let's
Let
see.
it break. Okay,
Uh,
candle on the
I'll tell
candle
you.
under the 200 under the 90 EMA. Okay, let me just wait how this candle closes, and then I'll write it to the oh my God, to the VWAP and see where it goes from there.
All right. Since you're trading SPY, let's look at SPY real quick. What do I like for SPY on a put? 395. VWAP's around 395. Low of day is around 392.50.
I
Biden was
need.
just running his mouth.
Yeah,
Uh,
what did he say?
he's discussing inflation, and I'm sure there was some. I'm telling you, bro, our live stream went so long last night that I just couldn't sleep, bro. I had that Shopify store on my mind and just could not sleep.
Hey, I listen. I'll be willing to allocate some money. So let's say Jeff could do it, but he's not doing it for nothing. He's actually putting it. He's because just once we get it up and running, it's just easy to put products in there.
Well, from what we were talking about last night, I think Jeff will deal with those specialty shirts, like the one that he has. But the
Because I
basic
just don't
rideshare
want Jeff,
garage
because
shirt,
Jeff does it like it's physical. Like he's gotta like put the design, the shirt, print it. But I don't want him to do that because that's just physical. It's gonna take a lot of his time,
it's
and
a
he's
lot
not
of
gonna
work.
be. Yeah.
It's a lot of work. So he'll make the specialty shirts. All right, watch for a rebound here. This is a crucial area. It's a high
Yeah.
volume spot on the volume profile. Um,
Hold on. Let me
but like
let me put
the
the
basic
volume
stuff.
profile up. Okay. So now this is points of on the volume profile. These are points of basically just a lot of volume, a lot of buying and selling. Correct.
That's where you're right. That's where you're strongest buying and selling. That's where your supply is meeting demand and their shares are trading. It's when they breaks out of that, either above it or below it on your time frame, when it'll move really fast as the volume weakens in those areas. That's where that'll really shoot on you. God damn, I can't shake this cold, man.
All right. So let's see how this goes. Let me try let me try my call. So I'm expecting it to pop, right? So let me buy the ask, right? I'm gonna buy the ask.
Is that
Come
what you're
on, get
expecting?
in.
Why do you think it's going to pop to the upside? I'm going to question it.
396 and 90 level.
Uh huh. You're there right
I'm
now.
just correct. So it's above my 200 overall. Um the market has been on this up right now. It did a big downtrend here. Um I don't know. Am I in? Yeah, I'm in. I'm in. So it's going to be bouncing off my 9 EMA and it's just going to pop, hopefully. Oh, wait. Oh, see? I already make a mistake. Made a mistake. Made a mistake.
What was your mistake?
Already made a mistake. My RSI and my MACD,
What about it?
they're up
Talk.
high.
Uh huh.
So up high, so the market is basically topping off and coming back down.
Yes, sir.
See? Okay, hold on. See, I need to get out. Now, she's not doing it. And this is the
All
things that I
right.
go through. Okay, I'm out. Damn it, I'm down $27.
I am actually. I am attempting to purchase. I am in now.
What?
Actually, I just bought two 395 puts for today.
Yeah, I got my 393s right
Um,
here.
they cost me $1 a piece.
What? Oh,
Yep,
you got me.
cost me $1 a piece. $100 on the
Okay, let's.
395 put.
Okay, here we go. All right, let's do this.
All right, put is rolling good in my spot. Now we're up to 111. Let's see, up 11% right now. Finger on the trigger.
Where
I'm
are
expecting
you
these.
on the? Are you on the SPY or you're on the
I'm in
Tesla?
SPY right now, bro. No, I moved over
Okay.
to SPY. I already made my profits in Tesla. Now back in SPY.
Okay. See now,
I'm looking
it's
for it to come
curling.
down to VWAP, which is around
MACD is
390.
curling, and then how I see it is that once it breaks the 200, then I'll do what I was thinking over here, which is just gonna go poof to the downside.
Oh, it's not adding my extra camera. What the fuck? Oh wow, it won't access my second camera for some reason.
Let's do my daily. See my daily. See it gapped. Man, you see it started. It's up. You think so that it could continue up?
I don't think it's going to continue up. Probability is it's going to retrace a little bit off this last leg up. So I'm going to play the percentages and see what it retraces down to. Remember, don't be afraid to pull a Fibonacci. Now, it could be just a quick pullback and then it fires back off again. This little leg, so we'd be looking at
Yeah. If you look at the
it pulled back. It pulled already pulled back 50% off this last little leg. Um, you know, and I want to see if it gets down into the 786 retracement area. If it does that, it's going to put itself at below 395, which those are the options that I'm in. I'm in the 395 put. So let's see if it breaks below VWAP. Now on Webull, your VWAP is there. It's below. It should be approaching below VWAP on the 2 minute chart. But what
on
do
the
you
two
want?
minute.
Yeah, what are you on right now? 2 minute, right?
I'm on the 2 minute. I'm on the 2 minute. My VWAP is over at 394.74.
Right, exactly.
My 200. So I'm buying, anticipating the break because everything is up. RSI is coming down. MACD is coming down. Okay, and this is like a resistance point where
All right. So fingers on the trigger. I got SPY now breaking down below. It's now at the 61% retracement area. Bada bing at VWAP. Bada bing. Up 33% on these two contracts. Up $66. I put 200 at risk. And this is what I mean about percentages. This is what I mean about percentages. Wednesday is news day, guys. Market goes sporadic. Lots of traders stayed off on Wednesdays. Yeah, Wes's grocery store. You're correct. You're correct, Wes. Yesterday was just it was a no trade day. We found that out the hard way. I'm gonna take one of these contracts out. I don't know what it wants to do here. I'm going to take one contract out for profit because I gave back a little bit of profit there.
on the
Okay.
SPY.
Yeah, it came all the way back down to, and that's the thing, man. This stuff is so quick. And that's why I say to you, Eddie, percentage is everything, bro. Percentage is everything. If you can make 10, 20, 50% on a contract, that's damn good money. It's a positive, it's a plus. And that's why I don't put dollar amounts on trading. I put percentages on trading. Because see, I was up 33%. Now I'm down 2%.
Uh-huh.
Just that quick. Just that quick.
You see, I'm already down at 19.
Now, are you in puts or calls?
No, I'm gonna put. I'm gonna put.
Right. So we're going to wait and see. I took one contract out at profit. Now this contract is down. Well, now it's even. So I want to see what this contract's going to do.
See, I need to get used to one. I need to be profitable with one. But let's see.
Well, you're paper trading. So, you can play with up to 3 contracts. 1, 2, or 3 contracts. If you're unsure about a trade, take one. You can always DCA in one or cut your stop loss and call it a day.
See, and
This
sometimes I'm
retracement,
wondering what's going on, and I go to the 1 minute and I'll see, and it broke under the 200. So I'm assuming the 200 is not going to hold.
Wes's grocery store. Good stuff on that 681 though, Vin. I'm Ubering in Phoenix listening to y'all. We appreciate you, Hoss. Yeah, I'm
Oh,
a huge. Go ahead, Eddie.
in Phoenix, in Phoenix.
Yeah. This is one of Jeff's guys. Now, hopefully, one of our guys. But yeah, you're right, Wes. Fibonacci will keep you out of trouble in a heartbeat, bro.
So how do you use the Fibonacci? You look up to the 50% level.
Well,
So
what
if
you
I
do is, first you
this is
gotta be able to determine where to
wait,
start the fib and where to end the fib, the retracement tool. You got to know where to start it, where to end it. I'll give you a quick. I'll show you a quick thing on it. Um, Let me see what happens here. Hold on. You want a quick tutorial?
where's my Fibonacci? Hold on, let me put my Fibonacci up here. Oh, here it is, right here. See, this is the high of the day, right? And I'm
Hmm.
just gonna mark it.
Down,
Okay, now
but
go ahead.
yeah, but there's a little caveat to that. There's a little caveat to that. What you're looking at. So because you've got if you look on your Weeble, you've got basically a flat area that started. So you could actually draw on the leg down from high of day to low of day. There you could
Uh-huh.
technically draw 2 Fibonacci levels in there if you wanted to, because around
From
the
here to here, and then from here, from the bottom to the top.
nope. Your first fib retracement could go from the top to the bottom, high a day, low a day. You could work on that. But halfway down that first leg from high of day, and then you see where it steadied off. You
Yeah,
got about
like
3 or 4 candles in there where it created just
yeah,
like a flat spot,
yeah,
right?
right
Where it
here.
just kind of traded sideways, right? So you could draw a fib from the top to that, and then your second leg would be from where that last red candle, full body candle on the way down, from there
Uh-huh.
to low of day. That's another fib retracement. It depends on how you're trading.
Okay.
Right now, we've come all the way full circle now. We're all the way back up off this last leg. So let's go from the bottom. Let's go from the low of day.
Okay, hold on. Let me get rid of this.
Actually, we don't want to go low of day. So you see low of day, and then the leg started back up, right? You see your leg
Hold
back up. So right where you got your nope, go back the other way. Go back the other way. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming.
Hold on. I was gonna remove my fib.
Oh, okay. Get your fib out of there.
Okay. Now, hold on. Let me make it red so I can tell the difference. All right. Now, what the hell?
All right.
Right here.
Okay. No. Now start from the low of day.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now as you come up, you've got another little area there where it traded sideways. There was
Yeah,
no
right
more
here.
progress. Right. So at that area is where at the bottom of that big green candle is where you want to start your fib. You don't want to
All right.
start it at low a day. Yeah, exactly. Now you're getting the idea.
So from here to the
Yeah, we'll
top.
say from there to the top. And now you have your 23%, you got your 38%. We don't care about those. We care about the 50% retracement, 61.8 retracement, and then the 78 retracement. And your big area to be concerned with, if you think it's going to bounce, if you think it's going to flip the other way, somewhere between that 61 and 78%, they call that the golden zone. That's the buy zone. If it breaks below 78%, more than likely it's going to flip all the way back down,
But it's not
and
showing me percentage. See, it's about to break above my
it won't do it on that.
396.90.
But let me show you here. Hold on, my brother from another mother. It does show you here. So let me bring this down and let me spread this out. This is SPY right now. This is all right now in current. So you see 78%, 61%, 50%. On Webull, it
Uh-huh.
will show you that. It will show you that on Webull. You just got to
Where?
look. It's so goddamn small. Look at the lines. You don't have your fib up no
I,
more.
I,
Grab
I,
me your fib.
I see I see them over here.
Hold on. Let me pull a fib up on
I see them. See, but they're coming up at numbers. Unless if I
well,
go to my
yes,
settings.
numbers. What the hell?
No, that they're like the price where it's at, not by percentage.
Ah, that's right. That's right. That's right. It's not showing you that. Yeah, in that respects, there's probably a setting in there for that, but
Yeah, I don't
I,
see it.
I don't. I
And
don't use
again,
it.
this is the paper.
Yeah, but the indicator shouldn't matter. So now what I want to see is this. We're approaching high a day on SPY. I want to see if it's going to break through or if it's going to come back down. And are we going to form a little double top here or a little head and shoulders? This is what I want to
See
see
that?
now.
But
I want
I'm
to see if
still.
we're going to
Oh
form
my
a head
God,
and
I'm
shoulders.
still in. See that? And if I click it, and let's see what happens. It literally touched that 399, 396.99. Um,
Uh,
see,
see,
and then I'm trying to like
uh huh.
not in out, in out, in out. I just want to like let the trade work. So my strategy right now would have been like, okay, if it broke above this and it would have closed above it, my 396, what is this? The high of 396.90. If it would have closed above it, then I just would have been out. But
Well, we're looking to see if we're going to now form a little head and shoulders here on the upside. Now we're going to see. So there's all these different things that can develop as you go. Today's a good day to trade. There's volatility in certain certain like SPY. There's volatility in SPY. There's always volatility in Tesla. Everybody trades Tesla, bro. There's a reason for that. Everybody trades Tesla because Tesla's always volatile. It's got movement. It's got price action.
let's see. I'm on this the upside, and
Still drinking my coffee, by
wanted
the way.
just wanted to break right back down.
Well, I don't know if it's going to do that. We might get a little sideways action now because again, we're back at the top of the volume here. I'll show you.
Top of the volume.
Yeah. So again, now
Oh
we're
yeah,
back at
the top of the open. You're talking
uh-huh.
about the open, right?
I'm talking about volume profile. If you look on the screen, you see I got my volume profiles up.
Uh-huh.
So we're in that zone, and now we're breaking below that zone. So that's what we're going to find out what's going on here now in a minute. So that's basically my setups. Those are my setups. It works for me. RSI is in the middle. This is the 2 minute chart. You know, this is what works for me. Keep it simple. That's what I do, and that's what you're doing. You're developing your style, your strategy, and then if you don't have success with it, you back test it, and and you make adjustments as you go. That's the beauty of trading. No one size fits all. Oh shit! Sorry, you guys can hear me blowing my nose. My bad, dog. I hit the mute button next time.
Uh,
Sorry. Let me hit the mute
so
button.
I saw Ron on the new Tessie. I saw Ron. Man, I'm hoping he starts getting into these making these videos. He's got to do a product review on his Tesla and buy some stocks. That's what he really needs to do.
Well, from what I saw late, I got to go back and watch the video. He did put out a video on the Tesla. From what I saw, he did do a video on the Tesla. I just haven't seen it. I haven't been able to watch it yet.
I saw it. It was like, yeah, the payments are like three something, but my first payment was 600 and something dollars and four something. So you know,
So he rented the Tesla.
yeah, he needs to make like a certain amount of money. He knows it. He knows. He knows. He needs to make over three for him to be able to a day in between his job and ride sharing.
Well, see now in a case like that where you have a full time job, I wouldn't put any money from my full time job into covering the cost of the Tesla rental. Oh, look at Spy go! Look at Spy go! Come on, baby! Now it's getting down into this 78 points or 78.6 level, right? So if it breaks below that and gets into this zone, I'm going to sell this last contract I still have, and we're going to go cha-ching, cha-ching again. Because remember, I sold one in profit and I kept one. Actually, you know what? This one's at 32% profit. I'm out of here. I'm taking the money. Whatever it does, it does. After that, whatever it does, it does. I'm taking the profit.
And I need to
Can't be
hold
afraid to
on.
take the profit.
And and that's the thing. Like, at what point in time do I take profit? Like right now, it's bouncing right off at the VWAP.
10%, 20%, 30%. Keep those numbers in mind. Always keep your percentage in mind. So if you can make 10% on a slow moving or not so volatile, not a lot of price action, 5 to 10% is good profit. If it's, medium, 10 to 30% is a good profit. If it's, going batshit crazy, 50 to 100% is profit is good.
See, I just
It's a
needed
feel
to.
thing, Eddie. The more you trade, the more you'll develop that third eye that you need for
And
trading.
then, okay, look, see, okay, and it broke the VWAP, which that I was expecting, because RSI is coming down. Okay, MACD is coming
Uh-huh.
down. Now I just need to continue it past that because now it already broke it.
All right,
Okay,
but what are you
it
looking
already
at
broke it.
as your
So now
where's your target?
right here, right here, where it's consolidating.
Okay.
Okay,
So then you can put
I am
in a
already.
sell order. You can put in a sell order for that, or you can just have your finger on the trigger. It's up to you.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm gonna put it in there for sale because it already it broke.
We got
Come
nobody
on.
watching. Nobody's watching. But I'm watching you on Rumble, bro.
Yeah, no, I just need to keep it to Rumble. See that? And I put my sell order in, and nothing. It's just sucks.
No. What he just didn't hit your number yet, or it didn't fill yet. Bro, no nobody want to see that mess. Kevin Costner. What the hell? Hey, did you just freeze up?
And cost no, I don't think so.
So then why are we looking at your there you go. What's your sell order in at? What do you got your sell order? What's your
Oh
number?
my God. It was
20%?
supposed to be at the it was supposed to be at the ask at that point. Um, what was that? No, actually,
Supposed to sell the bid,
I
not
think
the
it was like
ask.
so.
If you're selling the ask, you're looking for the person who's selling it at the highest point. If you're looking at the bid, you're looking to sell it at the bid, you're selling to the person with the lowest. They're willing to buy it for the lowest price, but at least you're guaranteed to get out of it. You buy the ask and sell the bid.
And sell the bid. And look, and it just buy the ask, sell the bid.
Yes,
And it takes
selling the
so
bid is a hell of a lot faster than selling the ask. I got to get a new hat. I need new hats. I need new hats.
yeah, look, it's still there.
Yeah, you're trying to sell the damn ask. Oh,
Okay, there you go. Okay, it looks like it's better if I just sell market for now. Under
yeah, yeah.
under
You lose.
yeah. So this is basically a break even. That sucks. See what I mean? Damn
Selling
Eddie's fault.
market. It ain't my
And I
fault.
can I have a preset on my live account.
It ain't my
I have a
fault.
preset on my live account, but
Selling market can cost you a lot of slippage. Selling the bid, you know what your number is. You're in and out, you're done. There's no variance in there. Selling market, that shit could sit there and bounce up and down because now you're selling that what the market maker's selling, willing to pay for it.
okay.
And you
Well,
don't ever want to pay what that sucker's paying for it.
if it breaks under the VWAP and it closes under the VWAP, I'm gonna go for another put. But like when I go to sell, it's just freaking such a pain.
No, it's not. Sell the bid. Repeat after me. Sell the bid.
Sell the bid. Sell the bid. Buy the ask. Sell the bid. Here we go. Buy the ask. Sell the bid.
Uh-huh. Now this is in day trading.
Buy the ask. Sell the bid.
You know what? Restream doesn't show you how many people are watching on your Rumble.
Yeah, no, no, I don't think I have, but I don't think there's anybody in there.
I'm watching. I'm watching it.
Um, but then I don't know how to. I got 18 video plays. All right. Yeah. No account options overview.
I even gave you a Rumble. I gave you a thumbs up Rumble. Beep, 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 beep. We're approaching 11 a.m. too, by the way.
Oh yeah, Rumble. And then yeah, and I just gotta find out how to use this Rumble. I really want to get out of my ride share and just put it on my community and be like, hey, I'm Dave. You guys want to come over? You know.
Well, you can do that. You just start with the two channels. You don't have to broadcast it to your rideshare channel. Most people on the
Yeah,
rideshare
correct.
channel want to talk about
So I
rideshare.
really want to take it. I really want to take it off the right chat channel because I just want to put it in the community. But like, hey, if you want to watch me trade, just click the link on the community and just go there.
That's it. Then that's all you do. That's all you do. Just put it on your community tab. Trading every morning, 9:30 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. Check this and put a link to your Rumble or YouTube Watch Me Lose Money channel, and that's it. Just put it on the community tab and call it a day. Because your community tab gets
And that
views. People see it.
and that
By
is
the way,
all
I'm
I
not
want
in
to do.
anything right now. I am up
Yeah, no, I'm out. I
about
closed out my contract. I'm only down $24 for today.
I'm up
Oh, so
240.
sorry. Kiss my ass. Okay.
No, because I lost money yesterday. I lost yesterday. I lost about I want to think it was like 150 something, 160 something.
Take
So
this VP away. And I know I keep hearing that there's people out there that make a living at just trading the spine, just
yes,
trading the spine.
yes, yes.
And now
By the
see,
way,
okay, and now the VWAP bounce, right? Um,
uh huh.
see how it consolidated above the VWAP? I could have bought a call, took it to the upside, okay, and then here I could have done the same thing. VWAP bounce, it came to the VWAP, is right there. I could have bought another call and just done this. I'm expecting it to get to the high here. This one would have been an expectation of breaking. Once it broke, I would have just sold. Again, I like the strategy, it works, but I just playing it just right. I could have even done it here in the morning.
You can never time the bottom of a trend, the top of a trend. You can't time it.
Well,
But you're right. Your probability is
not unless
looking at you
I
did
could just remove
looking at remove what?
my RSI and my MACD and just
I
play
don't
the
think you need the
lines.
MACD. I don't think you need the MACD. RSI is good to have. I don't think you need the MACD. I just don't. I think the MACD confuses people. It's great on a larger time frame, but on the shorter time frame, I don't think you need it.
Where's my
But that's
MACD?
me.
There we go. It's gone. It's gone.
There you go. I think you got everything you need right there. The only thing, and you've got your, I see your red line, so you've got your support resistance areas. So there you go. That's
So
all you
what?
need.
But the blue lines are, my support and resistance. Like you taught me yesterday, my high, my low, and then my open.
Uh
Today's
huh.
open.
Mm-hmm.
So I put those lines earlier today, and
And
basically
those are
strategy
very good
is
for those are very good for opening bound range. So the opening of the market.
see it's in it. It's sh- see what I mean? It's
Right
just
now,
no
SPY is consolidating, dude. Tesla's consolidating. Everything is just consolidating.
above the VWAP.
Yeah, but to me, it's there. You know what I mean? It's just sitting there. It's just looking purty, man. It's just looking purty. That's all. It's just looking purty. There was a big up leg this morning. Get rid of that. Bam. I can get rid of the fib. Bam. And now you start seeing that it's just bouncing between the supply demand zones. But see now a lot of stuff is filled in here too now. A lot of stuff has changed just that quick. See that?
I didn't even go ride sharing this morning, make that money.
What?
Yeah, yeah. So I need to cook food for the week,
Uh-huh.
and every time I don't cook food for the week, I eat out, and eat out gets
Oh,
very expensive.
yes. Yes,
Eating out
100%.
gets very expensive.
100%. Oh. Well, it is 10:57, my friend.
Yep, 8:30, 9:30. Yep. So it's been about an hour and a half, and usually, man,
Now it's time to move into the next phase of watch me make money instead of lose money.
yeah. Well, hopefully it gets there. Hopefully it gets there. We got 0 people watching Rumble. We got 1 watching, but let me see. Maybe I should just stick to okay. Once there is movement in direction, just let it go up to the line and then play it.
Well,
Did it go
tomorrow's
up to
Friday
the line?
too, so
So, oh yeah. So, and then like right here, it broke above it, and I'd be like, okay, I could have played it because it's right in the line. Okay, taking it to the upside, sold, and then do it again when it touched again, which is would have been right here.
okay. You might get a third tap and breakout off the higher day. You look at that. You got your opening move, and you got a big move right there. So you got a touch there, rejection, the touch there, rejection. And let's see if it comes to if we're forming that head and shoulders. We're gonna find out right now in a minute.
Wait, hold on. What do you see it?
So look
So
at
we have,
you've got three touches at your higher day. You got the opening higher day, right?
uh-huh,
You got, no,
and then
yes,
right
there,
here.
and then right
Okay, and
there,
then right
one
there,
more, right? And now
and
we're
then
gonna see if this thing's good. We're gonna see.
so and then it's gonna break to the upside.
There's a strong probability. Well, looking at the overall trend, it might break to the upside. You probably 60-40 to the break to the upside.
It'd be nice if it came down to the VWAP again, so I can test it out. Let it come down to the VWAP. You know what? Let's try it. Let's try it. Let it get like a bounce off the
Ugh.
VWAP.
You would have thought to see a lot more movement in the market today because the CPI number did come out. Inflation's down to 6.5%. You thought you would have saw a lot more movement, but
CPI, consumer
consumer product index, yeah, producer
consumer
index,
product index.
consumer producer index. So it's overall inflation. It's the number,
Yeah,
right? We were at what, 8.5 at one point. Now we're down at 6.5. I think they're manipulating the shit out of these numbers.
yeah, that's
Really
pretty
do.
low compared to what the hell is going on.
Well, remember, they don't count in the CPI number. They don't put uh, your food, grocery prices aren't in there, and your gasoline prices aren't in there. If you were to add the food and gas into the CPI, you get your real freaking inflation number. Because we're still hovering above $3 a gallon, which is still 50% higher than what it was before this guy took office. So before the Green New Deal decided that policy was going to be our policy. We're
Are they
still
gonna
50% higher.
can you remove that after it's been put in?
What's that?
The Green New Deal after it's been put in
Oh
and approved. Can you
yeah, you
remove it?
reverse the policy. Yeah, you want to see a huge market rally? Let the administration just simply come out and state we are going to reopen the Keystone Pipeline. Just let
Oh,
them say that. Just let them say that.
yeah,
They don't have to do a damn thing else. Just make the statement.
yeah, but didn't they
Oh, we're
blow
going
up a
to
pipeline? Well, it wasn't
we're
even our pipeline. The
Yeah, it is.
supposedly
It's Canadian and ours, but the thing was, it wasn't completed yet, so
no, no, no,
it
no.
was never
I'm not talking about that
operational.
one. I'm talking about the one that actually went from Russia to something, and
Oh,
somebody
those?
blew it
Oh,
up.
they blew that up. Russia blew that damn thing up already. Somebody blew it up.
All right, look, see? Okay, let's do this.
Let's do
Let's do
what?
this. God damn it.
You missed the move down, but it's after 11 a.m. So now you need to stop trading. It's
Trading.
11 a.m. You need to stop trading.
So tomorrow's
The
gonna be a
addiction is
nice day.
real.
Yeah.
The addiction is real.
I need to catch it right here. All right, so tomorrow it's gonna be like this.
Oh,
Once it
really?
decides direction, I'm just gonna bounce, grab it. I'm just gonna grab it right there off the view. See, it's just it does it every time. if I'm
It
looking at
does
my
what
history,
every
right?
time? It
It
does
just
what
it
every time?
opens, right? It decides the direction. It comes to the VWAP, and then boom, it goes right back up. I mean, it
Remember,
bounces right
yeah,
off of it in the
remember,
morning.
yeah, but remember your
Okay,
VWAP moves with the with it's an ebb and flow. They all move together.
correct. Um, see, and if I go to any of my other days, okay, see, it broke right above it. Okay, it closed right above it, so it would have been like technically my purchase, and then I just grab it on the way up and grab my profits here.
Well, you're back testing, which is good, right? You're seeing what you would have done, but every day is a different day. Because like go to the range this morning. Go to this morning's opening. Go to this morning's opening, right?
Uh-huh.
Straight down. The
Yeah,
market got good news. The market got good news. 6.5%. It got good news, and the market tanked this morning.
it came
See,
back
that's the other
down
part
and
of
it's
it
right
too.
under the VWAP and woof. See that? It just
Yep.
well, this is the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute. You know,
Doesn't matter.
but
Market
on the
still did
two
the
minute
same thing.
on the 2 minute. See, it just came right under it and then it just continued going. It broke right above it after
Right.
the rest of the day, which I could have, but um man, okay. Tomorrow is gonna be another day. Watch me lose my money already. If I would have had real money, $1,000, I'd be down about 86, $86
For the week. For the week. Or you'd have been
for
down
the week.
86,000
Correct.
straight for the week. Okay.
For the week. I'm ending the live.
All right. End your live, buddy. I'll try to be up on
I
time.
am ending.
Oh, I won't be here tomorrow. I won't be here tomorrow. I got my client. I've got that
Okay.
always, so I will not be able to join you in the morning. Just letting you know.
And I still got to figure out the damn Rumble.
Well, we're over there now. Let's figure it out. You can end your what you call it now, the YouTube stuff right now, and keep the Rumble going live, and then go over there and play with Rumble and see what the hell's going on. You know that, right? Just click off your
Oh,
YouTube
oh, oh,
channels.
oh, oh,
And-
oh, yeah. Okay. This is watch me lose money. So this is Rumble, I think. So